Guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Moneylion's automatic investment rebalancing. Let's get straight into the video. So Moneylion's automatic investment rebalancing allows you to maintain your target asset allocations by automatically rebalancing your investment portfolio. And if you want to do that, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So first thing you want to do is to log into your Moneylion's account using, of course, your email address and password. And once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the invest section by clicking on the invest tab. Next, you want to click on automatic rebalancing and select the investment account that you want to set that up for. Next, you want to set your target asset allocation and confirm the setup. And once you're done with that, you just got to wait for Moneylion to execute the automatic rebalancing. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up Moneylion's automatic investment rebalancing. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.